Hi everyone, this is Glory's litter. They're all doing really good. I love the little pup down here sleeping. They sleep in the most interesting ways. They're all growing very well. They're gaining an ounce a day, which is what we want to see in the first 2 weeks. Then they start packing on about, a good pound a week, and then up from there. Previous litters we've done Hill Science Diet, which I think is a good food for a medium grade. We've switched from Science Diet to From Gold, and I really like From Gold. These pups will start on that food at 6 weeks old, and they'll continue on it from 6 to 8 weeks, but they're breastfed until 6 weeks, and then we start the weaning process, which really only takes, less than a week, but you want to see them eating a good week before you can be certain. And then this litter will go to its forever home, like all of our other litters, at 8 weeks. And they're doing really good. They bark in their sleep, their ears go up, they lay on their backs, on their sides, but they pretty much ball all together, as you can kind of see. And this litter is a darker color, kind of one of the darker litters we've had. Mostly you're going to see darker reds, as you can see, to mediums, like the purple color where there's a medium golden. Pink is dark. The orange on his back side is dark. They've been really fun to watch. All these litters are really fun. We interact with them all the time. They're pretty much a big part of our family, and it'll be hard when they go to their new forever homes. But we do enjoy keeping you up to date, and we will post many more videos and photos. Thanks for following us. Take care.